Hello, welcome to my presentation on my statistical investigation. The question that I chose to investigate was, do Year 12 students sleep less than Year 7 students? My prediction is that Year 12 students sleep 1 hour less than Year 7 students. The data was sourced from the Australian Bureau of Statistics Census at School 2014. To provide a clear and reliable representation of results, I sourced two different sets of data, 25 students in Year 12 and 25 from Year 7, from across Australia, both female and male. A smaller population of data might not have represented the data accurately. This table shows the data of hours of sleep collated from the downloaded data sets. They are organised into Year 7s and Year 12s and sorted into ascending order in order to compare the data with ease. This double stem leaf plot highlights the values of data and frequency with which the values occur. It clearly indicates that the majority of both groups slept for less than 10 hours. The stem and leaf plot also highlights that more Year 7 slept for 10 hours or longer. I simplified the data from the table mentioned previously to help build the following graphs. This double column graph easily describes and compares the data visually. Just by looking at the graph, we can see distinct patterns and trends. It clearly displays that both data sets have similarities in the data. This sector graph easily represents data in a visual way in portions and percentages. By looking at the Year 12 graph, you notice that 50% of Year 12 sleep 7 hours or less. This is also true even when ignoring outliers. These dot plots graphically display the distribution of data. You can easily see that Year 7 students sleep between 9 and 10 hours per night, while Year 12 sleep 6 to 8 hours per night. The outliers have been left in as it is common for Year 12 students to have irregular sleeping patterns. With simple maths, it is easy to calculate the mean. While Year 7s have 9.3 hours of sleep, in contrast, Year 12s have 7.9 hours per sleep. This is displayed in the following table. In light of these results, particularly mean and median, it is clear that Year 12 students sleep less than Year 7 students. These results highlight that my prediction was correct and was slightly lower than I expected. Mean hours of sleep for Year 12 students is 7.9 hours as opposed to 9.3 hours for Year 7 students. The double column graph was the most useful display as it is easy to graph and read when comparing the difference of hours slept by Year 7s and 12s, while the stem and leaf plot was least practical as data is not able to be shown with normal distribution. The results show that as you grow older, hours of sleep vary and decrease. The results can be generalized beyond the sample as the sample size used in the investigation is large enough. The results should be used with caution outside Australia as the data was collected from only Australia.
Created using Powtoon.